You can't beat beets. Beets are a superfood, a root vegetable that's high in nutrition, great for cooking, and is beneficial to your health in a variety of ways. Beets are rich in essential nutrients, antioxidants, and dietary fiber, making them a valuable addition to your diet. Let's look briefly at the benefits of beets, ranging from their nutritional content to their impact on health and wellness. Nutritional content. Beets are low in calories, yet high in vitamins and minerals. A typical serving of beets only contains 45 calories, but has protein, fiber, vitamin C, folate, iron, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients contribute to your overall health by supporting the immune system, energy production, and cellular repair. Health benefits. Number 1 is cardiovascular health. This is one of the most important benefits of beets. Beets contain high levels of nitrates, which are converted by the body into nitric oxide. Why is that important? Well, I'm glad you asked. Nitric oxide aids in relaxing and widening blood vessels, which enhances blood flow, thus reducing blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Number 2, it's anti-inflammatory. Beets contain pigments called betalains, which are anti-inflammatory. Chronic inflammation is linked to various diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis. By reducing inflammation, beets help improve the risk of these diseases. Betalains also contribute to the antioxidant capacity of beets, helping to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Number 3, it improves athletic performance. The nitrates in beets not only benefit cardiovascular health, but also enhance athletic performance. Nitric oxide improves the efficiency of mitochondria. These are the energy-producing components of cells, leading to a more efficient use of energy and reduced oxygen consumption during exercise. Athletes often use beet juice as an aid to boost their endurance and performance. Beets can also improve exercise stamina, particularly in high-intensity activities. Number 4, beets improve digestive health. Beets are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is crucial for digestive health. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, helping to prevent constipation. Additionally, fiber acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health and influences everything from digestion to immune function and even mental health. Number 5, detoxification support. Beets support the body's natural detoxification processes, primarily through their impact on liver function. The betalains in beets support phase 2 detoxifying in the liver, which means that the toxins are combined in such a way as to make them water-soluble and easier to excrete. Then the high content of antioxidants in beets are activated and help to protect the liver from oxidative damage, ensuring the liver function is top-notch. Number 6, improves cognitive function. The nitrates in beets enhance blood flow to the brain, improving oxygen and nutrient delivery. This increased brain blood flow causes improved cognitive abilities and adds to protection against age-related cognitive decline and conditions such as dementia. Culinary uses. Don't forget, beets are very versatile in the kitchen as well. They can be eaten raw, roasted, boiled, steamed, or pickled. For a quick fix, You can buy pre-cooked beets in most grocery stores. Their natural sweetness and earthy flavor make them a unique addition to both savory and sweet dishes. Here are a few ways to incorporate beets into your diet. Salads. Pairing beets with greens, nuts, and cheese creates a delicious and balanced dish. They can be raw or roasted. Juices or smoothies are a popular way to consume beets for health. Soups. Beets are a key ingredient in borscht, a traditional Eastern European soup. They can also be blended into creamy soups for added flavor and beautiful color. Roasted. Roasting beets enhances their natural sweetness and can be tossed with herbs and spices for extra flavor. Pickled. Pickled beets can be added to sandwiches, salads, or enjoyed on their own for a tangy flavor. A common misconception about beets is that you can only eat the bulb. However, the entire beet plant is edible, from the root to the greens. Beets are a worthy addition to any diet. You'll find a recipe in the description below for roasted beet and goat cheese salad. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Be sure to watch this video next for more health tips, natural remedies, and recipes.